Friends, how are you? After a long time I'm back. As you have already seen on my website, or you can see on my website now, these 3 months I had a dozen winning trades and dozen successful chart analytics. Today here I will show you the BridgeBio Pharma BBIO, yesterday soaring approximately 7% in a big frame. One day we have a cap and handle here. We found here support, and yesterday with a 7% soaring we are on the edge to make a big uptrend move from today, and after a breakout from 12.60 cents to make a new highs. 200 days move average is at $15. The company on 4th of August announced a robust earnings report. Was very good. In the chart, in the lows in May and June, as we had here double top, here was a reversal breakdown in 21 June, 17 June, and now we have also here a double bottom, this pattern, and now we are in the candle and we are preparing for the uptrend breakout. Join on my website for dozen successful trades at chart analysis. Goodbye.